So in this section, I'm going to show you how to use the CBC module. So the first thing we do is the settings part. So we go to CBC, then Strand settings. So from here, we'll select the class, and then we'll select the given subject. So, but before that, first and foremost, we have to specify which class is taking the CBC curriculum. So we go to settings, and then we select view classes. So from here, you'll be able to specify which class is taking CBC. So for example, like this PP2, so all we have to do is go to edit, and then here we select active update. Okay, so from here, settings, view classes, you'll be able to specify which class is taking the CBC curriculum. So from there also, still under settings, we have subjects. So here we'll be adding the CBC subjects. So for example, you can see we have added the various subjects. So like environmental, mathematics activities, language activities, creative arts, and so on. So that one, those subjects will be added under settings, add subjects. So we'll add the various subject names, the abbreviations, and so on. So here we add the subjects that the CBC classes will be taking. So after that, we go to now the CBC module, then we go to Strand settings. So the first thing, we'll select a class. So from here you can see the various classes that are taking the CBC curriculum. So we select a class like that, and then we'll select the subject that we want now to add the various strands. So like select CRE, then click on add, and then we will add the various subject strands. So like for example, we have this strand here. Okay, so you'll add the various strands. If there are many, you just click on this button and add the various strands, and then once you've done that, we click submit. Okay, so after we have added the strands, you can view them from here. You can view all the strands that you have added on the various subjects. So you can see we have added this one for CRE activities. So this is our strand. So you can delete or edit depending on what details you want to change. So next we go to Strand Topics. So how to add a strand topic? So we'll select the class, select the given subject, so it's CRE, and then we'll choose from the strands. So we'll do that, and then we can click on this to add the various strand topics. So for example, we have this topic, so we can just add this. Then we can add another one, that, and then we can add another one. Okay, so you can add the various strand topics. If there are many, you just click on this and then you add, and then once you're done, now you click submit. So that's how you add the strand topics, and also this information can be edited under edit, so you'll be able to see all the subjects and their various strands and the topics. So we can see these are the topics. Okay, so after that we go to substrand settings. So from here we're going to add the substrands on the different topics. So how you do that, you select the class and then you'll choose the subject, select the strand and select a topic. So like this first topic, then we just click on this add button and then we will add the various substrands. So like if we select this, we'll add that as a substrand and have another one. Then let's also have another one, and the last one can be this. So that's how you add the various substrands. And then once you're done, you just click submit. So that way you'll have added the various substrands on a given topic. So also this, you can go to edit stroke view to delete or edit any information if you want to change any substrand or any substrand on a given topic. So you go to edit stroke delete and you'll be able to delete the various substrands under a given topic. Okay, so once you have done that, you've set up the strands, the topics and the substrands. Now you can record the marks. So how you record marks, you go to, so you select a class and then, so once you select a class, it will give you the names. And then you can select now a given substrand. So for example, let's select one that we have just added. So you can go to, so we have this one, so select this substrand, choose the term. So let's select maybe term 2, whichever, and then you just give out the score if it's depending on this score. So we have things like exceeding expectation, meets expectation, approaches expectations, and then below expectations. So we will give out the marks accordingly. So for example, let's just do this, and then when you're done, you click submit. So we can see these details have been recorded. Okay. So once you have, so you can do this for the various substrands. So this one was like for the CRE, so you can do the same with environmental, you can do the same with languages and so on. So that's how you give out the scores on the various substrands. So also if we go to edit stroke view,